Weekend plans. It's Friday afternoon. Your coworker asks, "Any plans for the weekend?" Do you know how to answer naturally? Today, 3 essential questions about weekends that English speakers ask constantly. Stay until the end for a real conversation. Let's go. Question 1.
What do you do on weekends?
Answer 1.
I'm pretty low-key on weekends. I usually sleep in until 9 or 10, which is amazing after waking up early all week. Then I catch up on household chores like laundry and cleaning. In the afternoon, I might binge watch a series on Netflix or read a book. Sometimes I cook a nice meal for myself. It's nothing exciting, but I really need that downtime to recharge for Monday.
Answer 2.
I'm the opposite. I like to stay busy and make the most of my weekends. On Saturday mornings, I usually hit the gym or go hiking if the weather's nice. Then I meet up with friends for brunch or lunch. Sundays are for exploring. I might check out a new restaurant, visit a museum, or go to a farmer's market. I feel like weekends are too short to just stay home. I want to experience as much as possible.
Key vocabulary. Low-key means relaxed and quiet. Sleep in means wake up late. Catch up on means do things you didn't have time for. Household chores means cleaning tasks at home. Binge watch means watch many episodes at once. Downtime means rest time. Recharge means restore your energy. Make the most of means use time fully. Hit the gym means go to the gym. Meet up with means gather with friends. Check out means visit or try something new. Question 2.
Do you prefer staying in or going out?
Answer 1.
Honestly, I prefer staying in most of the time. I'm a total homebody. After a long week of work and dealing with people, I just want to be in my own space. I'll order takeout, put on comfortable clothes, and watch movies. Maybe light some candles, Make some tea. It's so peaceful. Don't get me wrong, I go out occasionally, but I'd choose a cozy night at home over a crowded bar any day.
Answer 2.
I definitely prefer going out. Staying home all the time makes me feel restless and bored. I love being around people and trying new things, whether it's going to a concert, having dinner with friends, or just grabbing drinks after work. I'm always up for it. Life's too short to stay on the couch. Plus, I live alone, so my apartment gets lonely pretty quickly. Going out energizes me and helps me connect with others.
Important phrases. Staying in means remaining at home. Going out means leaving home for activities. Homebody means someone who loves being at home. Dealing with people means interacting with others, often tiring. Takeout means food ordered from a restaurant to eat at home. Don't get me wrong means don't misunderstand me. Any day emphasizes strong preference. Restless means unable to relax. Up for it means willing and ready. Grab drinks means have alcoholic beverages casually. Question 3.
Where do you like to hang out with friends?
Answer 1.
My favorite spot is this little coffee shop near my apartment. It's quiet, has great Wi-Fi, and the atmosphere is really chill. My friends and I go there all the time. We can sit for hours, just talking and catching up. They have comfortable seating, good music, and the coffee is actually affordable. It's become our regular meeting spot. Sometimes we bring our laptops and work there together on weekends. It's perfect for deep conversations without all the noise and chaos of bars or clubs.
Answer 2.
I love going to this rooftop bar downtown. It has an amazing view of the city skyline, especially at sunset. The vibe is energetic but not too loud. They have live music on Fridays, which is awesome. My friend group likes places where we can eat, drink, and socialize all in one spot. The food there is pretty good too, not just typical bar food. It's a bit pricey. But we think it's worth it for special occasions. Plus, the outdoor seating is great when the weather's nice.
Useful expressions. Hang out means spend time together casually. Spot means place or location. Chill means relaxed and comfortable. Catch up means talk about recent events in your lives. Regular meeting spot means the usual place where you meet. Deep conversations means meaningful, serious talks. Vibe means atmosphere or feeling of a place. Skyline means the outline of buildings against the sky. Worth it means valuable despite the cost. Special occasions means important events or celebrations. Real conversation, Friday 4 p.m.
Now let's listen to a typical Friday afternoon conversation between coworkers.
Hey, Robert. Happy Friday. Any plans for the weekend?
Hey, Amanda. Not really. I'm pretty low-key on weekends. What do you usually do on weekends?
I like to stay busy. Tomorrow I'm hitting the gym in the morning. Then meeting up with some friends for brunch. Sunday I might check out that new art museum downtown.
That sounds fun. You definitely make the most of your weekends. I'm the opposite. I usually just sleep in. Catch up on household chores, and binge watch something on Netflix.
Nothing wrong with that. Sometimes I wish I could just relax more. Do you prefer staying in or going out in general?
Definitely staying in. I'm a total homebody. After dealing with people all week at work, I just want to be in my own space. Order some takeout, put on comfortable clothes, you know?
I get that. I'm the opposite though. Staying home makes me feel restless. I need to be around people and trying new things.
That makes sense. Where do you like to hang out with your friends usually?
There's this rooftop bar downtown that we love. Amazing view of the city skyline. They have live music on Fridays. The vibe is really energetic. You should come with us sometime.
Maybe. Though honestly, I prefer quiet coffee shops. There's this chill place near my apartment. Where you can just sit and talk for hours.
That sounds nice too. Different strokes for different folks, right?
Exactly. Well, enjoy your active weekend. I'll be on my couch.
Haha, Enjoy your downtime. See you Monday.
Grammar used.
Let's break down the grammar. First, present simple for habits and preferences. I usually sleep in regular habit. I prefer staying in general preference. We use present simple to talk about what we normally do or like. Second, gerunds after prepositions and certain verbs. After dealing with people, gerund after preposition. I love being around people. Gerund after love. I prefer staying in. Gerund after prefer. Many verbs and all prepositions take gerunds, not infinitives. This is very common in natural English. Third, future plans with present continuous and might. I'm hitting the gym tomorrow. Present continuous for definite plans. I might check out the museum. Might for possible plans. We use present continuous for scheduled plans and might for uncertain possibilities. Fourth, contrasting opinions politely. I'm the opposite, showing difference without conflict. Don't get me wrong, clarifying before disagreeing. Different strokes for different folks. Accepting different preferences. These phrases help you disagree respectfully, which is important in English conversation.
Today you learned how to talk about weekends like a native speaker. Whether you're a homebody or a social butterfly, these questions help you connect with others. The key is being honest about your preferences. English speakers appreciate authenticity. Next time someone asks about your weekend plans, you'll know exactly how to answer naturally. Practice these 3 questions with someone this week. See you Wednesday with 3 new questions about work and social life.